What's up YouTube, it's Ihsaan of the StyleJumper, your boost to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release a video once a week where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell below so you'll be notified when we release our next video. There's a special holiday coming up this week. It's Mother's Day. So to help you and myself not blow it, here's a couple of tips for you. Number one, cook her favorite meal. Now this is something that requires a little time and planning. Think about what she really likes to eat, and if you can cook, definitely go for it. Now, one of the things that I've found recently is that in certain cities in the country, there's options where you can do chefs on demand, where if you can't cook and you need special help, look and see if there's a chef in your area that can come and make your meal. That would be amazing. Gosh, I hope I can find one. If you don't have that option, take her out. Number two, clean the house. Fellas, I'm talking about everything. Bathroom, vacuum, wash clothes, wash the dishes. Do everything you can so that she doesn't have to lift a finger for at least a couple of days. So she'll be happy that she doesn't have to do it. Number three, buy some jewelry. You can never go wrong with buying a little bit of jewelry. She's gonna love it, she's gonna be shining, and it's gonna make her look and feel amazing. What I caution against is buying clothes, because if you buy the wrong size, your ass down. Damn. Number four, get the kids involved. Now, fellas, I'm telling you now, this requires some patience. But I think if you get up super early and you get them up early, you're going to have some fun. Whether that's a craft, creating a card, if you're going to do breakfast, help them serve their mother. She's going to love it. It's another act of service, and you get a little help. Number five, phone a friend. Now you might be asking, what the hell does phoning a friend have to do with Mother's Day? Well, if you've been clueless like me over the years at times, phoning a friend will help save your ass. Typically, your wife's BFF knows exactly what she likes and wants. So you might have to do it on the slick tip. If you guys have great rapport, shoot her a text, give her a call, and ask, what is something that you guys talk about that she says she's wanted? That way, it'll be a real surprise, and it'll also show that you did your homework. Bonus, here's something I've been doing lately, and this is a secret, and I know she's gonna see this, but I think it's important to say. When your wife is talking about things throughout the year that she likes, or you're sitting down, you're watching a movie, or she's looking in a magazine or you're in a mall and she says, hey, I like that, and you can't get it or she doesn't purchase it at that time, take a note on your phone. Take a picture. Pay attention. Take some time and take notes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have questions or suggestions about what I should be speaking about next, put it in the comments below. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And fellas, take some time to honor your special lady. You won't regret it. We'll see you next time.